and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Summer Fab Fit Fun unboxing to share with you. Here's what the box looks like this month. And the first thing in there, of course, is our little magazine we get each month. It has Gabby Douglas on it this time. The first thing that I see that I got is the silk satin pillow sleeve. It says, swap your pillowcase for this silk one, which helps prevent bedhead and creases on the skin. And it retails for $29.50. So I have heard good things about these. I actually have satin pillowcases already. I think I'll give this one away as a gift to someone. But I do feel it does help with your hair. You don't wake up with as much frizz, and it's supposed to be better on your skin too. So they're really nice, and I like them because I like to roll over onto a cool pillow or like flip it in the middle of the night sometimes to the cool side, and these I feel are much cooler on your skin than other materials like cotton. The next thing I have are the Tom sunglasses, and they come in this cute little pouch. It's kind of a really soft material. And these are what they look like. They're really cute. I don't have anything like these. They're a matte black finish. And on the edge here, I don't know if you can see, but it says give sight. I don't know if that will pick up on camera or not. And it says they're Sydney sunglasses. It says the oversized and slightly cat-eye frames make for a classic shape to add to your collection, and they retail for $58. And then next we have by Spongel, a hand cream in coconut verbena. It says it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. It's a 2 ounce. It feels really nice and smells so good. It says nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils, and it retails for $18. Then we have by the Makeup Drop a hybrid silicone pad and blending sponge. That's what it looks like out of the package. This side is silicone there. Never tried anything like that, but I'll give it a go. I don't think I'll be a fan of the sponge just by the way it feels. It feels kind of like those cheaper sponges you get. Like for $1 or $2, which usually don't work out well for me, but I'll give it a try and see. Next we have a Michael Kors passport wallet. I thought it was really cool. They offered something like this in Fab Fit Fun. Called the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. This sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and boarding pass super organized. Then the next thing that I got is by Winky Lux, their Unibrow Eyebrow Pencil. It's in a universal brow shade. And that's what the packaging looks like. And there's what the actual component looks like. It's one of those kind of a triangular shaped pencils, and then it has a nice pulley on the end. That I probably won't use myself. I'll probably put in a giveaway or something, just because the universal shades usually don't work out for me. We have a beach mist. It says it's a botanical after sun spray by the Lifestyle Company. So it's a 4 ounce bottle. What the container looks like. For that one it says reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture, and it retails for $42. Wow, that's kind of pricey for a spray. I'm guessing it's supposed to help like if you're in the sun a lot and maybe you got a little bit of a sunburn or almost to that point, or just to cool off, something like that. So we'll probably give that a try on vacation if we get to go. And then the last thing I got as a gift for someone, so I'm not going to take it out of the plastic, but it's this bag by Draper James. It's a straw bag. It seems to be made out of a nice material from what I can tell. And it has the cute little scarf here. And I did select that as one of my customizations because I thought it would be great for someone I know as a gift. It says, outfit it with a floral scarf. This flirty bag matches all your warm weather outfits, and it retails for $75. And that was the last thing that I got in my Summer Fab Fit Fun, guys. I really enjoy these boxes just because there is so much of a variety in them usually. And you know, getting things like this passport wallet you would never get in another like beauty subscription, purses, sunglasses, things like that. I just really enjoy the variety and the surprise of the items because I only get to customize 2 usually, and the rest are just a surprise. So I really like that part too. I'll have a link below in case you want to subscribe to your own FabFitFun. It comes every 3 months, once per season. So next will be fall, which is always one of my favorite boxes. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys.